Okay, let's continue. So, you both agree. I'm sorry, let me just drop the camera a bit. There we go. You both agree that this is a very good reason. Now, I want to know, what do you think causes car accidents? What do you think causes car accidents? Kim?
Mm, I think cars accidents are very dangerous.
Okay, but what causes a car accident? We know it's dangerous, but why does it happen? Kim, can you think of some reasons why car accidents happen? Remember, you are allowed to say if you don't know.
I don't know.
Okay. Ellie, do you know why car accidents happen?
No, I don't.
Okay. So, let me give you guys some reasons. They say in this paragraph that people make too many mistakes. Now, with that, I agree. Some people do. They drive faster than the speed limit. They drink and drive. Um, they don't look where they're driving. Another, a few factors are, it was rainy weather, so the road is slippery. It was icy. It was cold and the road froze over. Let's say ice on the road. And another one is something breaks. Okay, so those are some of the common reasons why car accidents happen. The last two, or the last three, these three are not always in control of humans. We cannot control the weather, so if it rains or it's misty or it's windy or the road is frozen, that's not something we can control. So that is a reason we can rule out. Okay, and then sometimes things break because if you use it, it tends to break. Now, but the first three are completely in our control. Number one, people like to race and they are sometimes in a hurry. And then because of that, they cause or make a car accident happen. Secondly, there are some reckless people. They like to drink alcohol and then go drive a car. Now, alcohol, you guys, I think you guys know, makes you drunk and it makes you think, it prevents you from thinking carefully. Let's say it like that. And then some people like sightseeing while they're driving too much. So instead of looking where they're driving, they're out the window or here in the car or on their phone and then also an accident happens. Now, do you guys think that the solution, because this is the argument, that it's safer, okay? Do you guys think making the car drive itself will make the car safer, even though they state many people, even though they say people make mistakes? Do you guys still think it's a safer option, Kim, to drive a driverless car or to own a driverless car? Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay,
it's very convenient.
it's convenient. Okay, Ellie? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so you guys stick with yes. I will have to disagree. Okay, so let me try and give you guys an idea of what this argument looks like. So they're saying because some people are careless and what's the word? Irresponsible, we need to make a car that can drive themselves, or not themselves itself, so that people can continue being careless and irresponsible. Did you guys see that?
Yes.
Kim, do you see that?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so it's the same thing as saying, um, let me think of another example. We are going to make all tests open book. Now this means you are allowed to take your textbook when you go write your test. So you're allowed to take it in with you. You're allowed to page through the pages and write the answers from out the book onto the test. No penalty. Okay? Because people cheat on their tests. Would that be a good thing? So you don't have to study anymore. You just remember to bring your book with you when you write your exam. You are allowed to use your textbook. Do you guys think that is a good idea? Okay? Yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Ellie? Yes or no?
No.
Ah, so there we have the first changes of opinion. You say no, Ellie says yes. Okay, let me try and give you guys another example. So, a man decides to marry 4 women because having one wife is not enough. So, he makes it legal to marry lots of women. Kim, do you think that's a good thing or a bad thing?
It's a bad thing.
Elly, do you think it's a good thing or a bad thing?
Yes.
Good or bad? Which one?
Bad.
Bad. Okay, so we can agree that we don't have to make something more, in Kim's word, convenient. Is that correct? We don't have to make something convenient for something to be safer or better. Okay? So, what I'm trying to say is that the issue here is this is a, what do they say? It's a weak argument. The problem is not that because we are human, it's unsafe. The problem is people are careless and irresponsible. So let's write that down. I'm going to write it in the chat. Paragraph 2. People are irresponsible. That's why many car accidents happen. So, cars that require drivers are safe. People make them unsafe. Okay. But I'm not going to argue with you guys. If you still think it's a good idea to make these cars, it's cool. It's not the issue. I'm just trying to help you guys understand what they're saying there in essence. Now let's get to the next paragraph. This is going to take a while, so please bear with me. So this is the one against. Remember, the first one is for driverless cars. This one is against it. Now let's see why. Other people say that we should not make driverless cars. There is the idea. We should not make it. First, computers make errors too. Ooh. Okay, remember that. I'm going to highlight it. Let me see if I can highlight this. No. Okay, they are not perfect. Oh no, give me just. People make errors, they're not perfect. So they sometimes stop working. If the computer is in a driverless car stops working, it can cause a very big accident. This is true. There's no control over the car. Second, most people enjoy driving their cars. Okay, so this is their counter argument. Let's make it orange. Most people enjoy driving their cars. For many people, driving their cars means that they can relax without worrying about their work. Ah. Some people might want to drive their cars to beautiful places. Okay. So let's see what these people are saying. First, they say computers makes errors too. Okay, so they are very smart. The first one say it's because of people make errors. We need driverless cars. Let me write it down. Paragraph 2 says because people make mistakes, we need driverless cars. Paragraph 3 says because computers can also make mistakes, we need normal cars. Now it gets starting to get tricky. This person says we need it because people make mistakes. The other person says no, we don't need it because computers make mistakes as well. Now let's look at their argument. They say people enjoy driving their cars. Is enjoyment, Kim, a reason why we should keep something as it is?
Pardon?
Is because someone enjoys something, we should keep doing it? Is that a good enough reason?
Mm, not reason.
You think it's a good reason? You think
Yes.
okay? Ellie, what do you think? Do you think if someone enjoys doing something, they should keep on doing that thing? Do you think that's a good reason?
Yes.
Okay, now let's think about this. The man enjoys having 4 wives. He should keep on marrying more wives. Kim, is that a good idea or not?
No.
No. Ellie, good idea or not?
No.
No. Okay, I know this is a very extreme example, but I'm trying to make a point. Okay, now let's ask this one. I enjoy helping people. Therefore, I will keep on helping people. Kim, is that a good enough reason?
It's a good reason.
Okay, Ellie, is that a good enough reason?
It's a good reason.
Excellent. Yes, you guys are correct. The first one is a horrible reason. How would the other people? How would the other wives feel? I mean, that's just wrong. And this one is very good. Sorry, not it's not wrong. It's a very good reason. If you like to help people, keep on helping them. Now, what makes it a good reason in the one sense and a bad reason in another sense? Can you guys think of why it can be good or bad? Kim? Why can enjoying something be a good reason and a bad reason? What does it depend on?
It depends on
What's right and what's wrong? Do you agree?
because the reason one is wrong.
Mm-hmm. So it depends on right and wrong. Yes? Yes or no? Kim?
Yes.
Okay, Ellie? It depends on yes or no. Right or wrong, right?
Yes.
Excellent. Okay, perfect. So what we can conclude is this. When making an argument or giving a reason, we have to have more information to understand the situation. Yeah, those are lots of big words. Just for now, for time's sake, I will quickly translate it into Vietnamese if you guys do not understand it. I will keep it on the screen. There we go. And then we can do this. There it is in Vietnamese. When making an argument or giving a reason, we have to have more information to understand the situation. Does it make sense? Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Does it make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Elly, does it make sense?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Now, this is what we have in this paragraph. Let's call it group 1 is for and group 2 against. Now, group 1 says we need driverless cars. Oh, no, let's put it in their words. Let's put it in the same words they use. Are good for all people because people make mistakes and can do other things in the car while it drives itself. Okay, that's what group 1 says. Because people make mistakes, we need to have driverless cars. Now, the other group says, no, we don't. No, we don't. No, it's not good. Because just like people, computers can make mistakes as well. Besides, and there are people that enjoy driving their cars. Now, what do we know? We said this is a relatively weak argument, and this one as well, because enjoyment alone is no reason to keep on doing something. It depends on what it is. So we know that the first one says people are the problem. They did not say weather or the car may break down. They said people. This one defended the people. No, people's not the problem. The people making the mistakes are the problem. Okay, so, but they give the wrong, in my opinion, you guys can disagree, they give the wrong reason for why. Just because you enjoy something doesn't mean you keep on doing it. I can enjoy doing drugs, it doesn't mean I need to keep on doing it. So, what would you guys, if you guys had to think of a reason, what should these two groups try to answer? What's the question that they need to answer about driverless cars? Okay.
I think it's good and convenient.
Hmm. but I'm asking for a question. I need you to give a question. What is the question we should seek to answer about driverless cars?
Pardon?
What is the question we need to answer about driverless cars? Okay, Elly, do you have a question that we might seek to answer about driverless cars?
No.
Okay, so let me help you guys. Oh, do you have an answer?
No.
Okay, so the question is, why would it be better than the cars we have now? Um, enjoying, let's say enjoyment and convenience are not good enough reasons. The question is not because you get normal cars that are very convenient, and you get people that don't like driving cars. So it's not a question about just because you can enjoy a bit more, you should buy it. I will enjoy a mansion, but it doesn't mean I have to go buy it. Do you guys understand? Kim, do you understand?
Yes.
Elly, do you understand?
Yes.
Perfect. So I'm going to write that on this, and the next time when we have a lesson again, we will look at it and remember that this conclusion. Just because I can enjoy, or because no, just because I can enjoy it, or because it is a good enough or it is convenient, doesn't mean I have to do it. Okay. Before we stop, do you guys have any questions? Kim?
No, teacher.
Elly?
No.
Okay. Well, thank you guys. That's our time. We will continue here next time. I will see you guys again. Enjoy your weekend. Bye bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye bye, teacher.